Asuntossa köyhtiö Haukkalinna.
It's also very nice and Päärtinpolku 4.
Yeah.
Staircase thing. We also filmed the staircases A, B, C, and E here. Today, on 26th of January 2025. It's unfortunately modernized with those 1000 pictures. Because originally this has been Helsingin Hissi 1968, extremely rare. It was one of the best way to see Finland before.
Yeah.
There's these 3 versions of like this. But still, big architecture here. Built in, yeah, in 1998, there was 1000 pictures. So there's 391, the new version number is B1, is Y8522. And in Swedish and Finnish, there's the 3 versions of the programs. There's a green indicator on the outside, and inside it's red.
Yeah.
Se ei takahuhtaa Tampere tämä Force Big Man Finland.
Or takahuhti.
Takahuhti, joo. Well, it's still 1 hour of filming today and 7 already. So
Yeah.
still not bad for a Sunday today so far.
Yeah.
At least it's faster than normally Tampere.
Yeah.
It seems that it's leveling too early.
Speedbike-wise don't maintain both, so now they scrap this.
The brakes come in too early when it comes to the ground floor.
Yeah.
When it arrives there.
Yeah.
Let's see if it will do that again.
Yeah.
Yeah, I wonder if that's some kind of error, because normally it shouldn't be too early.
Yeah.
Although it doesn't matter so much, but it's just a small remark.
Yeah.
That's it, thanks for watching.
That's